Believe me, we couldn't script this stuff. Here's what some of our customers had to say about Newberg Ford.
Very friendly, very prompt, and it was really good service.
Oh, it's been a great experience at Newberg Ford. We're up to about 5 or 6 Ford cars and pickups now.
Selection is awesome.
I've got very fair prices.
I always recommend Newberg Ford.
They're very professional, yet they're not pushy, they're low-key. I like that style.
See for yourself at Newberg Ford and Mercury. We just work harder for you.